Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you a demo of my project that I built for our Torctoberfest. It's just basically hacktoberfest but like for our Torc community. So it's called Torctoberfest. Anyways, we have this lore in our community which is based on Pepsi versus Coke. So we have some hardcore Pepsi drinker and like some hardcore Coke drinker. And I built something on like based on that. So let's just run this code and I'm gonna explain how it works. It's simple actually, but like let's see. It's not right. Okay. First, you just need to just say your name. I'm gonna go with Nos. And then you are gonna get asked if you prefer Coke or Pepsi. I'm gonna go with Pepsi. And then, based on what you said, like what you picked, you are gonna get a new drink. This is called Pilk Witch, I think. And it's just pickle juice and milk, and it also has a prophecy that you can see here. So yeah, it's just basically that. It's just simple, and if you want to run this in your computer without installing Python, this is how you can do this. Let me show you. Go to this our repository, which I'm gonna link in the description below, and just download the files. Oh, sorry. Here, just download the file, and then go to this part, and then it's just here. I mean, when you download the file, just go here. And I linked something. Okay, so you can go to this link and here. I have it open here. Okay, anyways. Okay, so you can go here to this site and just after, like when you downloaded the file, you can just open them. Sorry. Okay, here. No. Okay, here. Okay. Nope. Okay, here. You need to just get the Python file, which is this one, and this one, and just open them. And now we have them here, and just run. Yeah, and you can just run them here, and you can just try this project without needing to download Python. So I'm I added this link so our Torc community members can try this, and I hope they like this project. So yeah, that's it for this project, and I hope you guys like this one. See ya in the next demo or video.